The verse for today is John 15 verse 4, and it says, "Remain in me as I also remain in you. No branch can bear fruit it by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me." So guys, whatever ninyong nagian karon, kalisod, kapungot, kalipay, kaguol, stay rooted, stay connected with Jesus Christ. Kay dili magbabungahon ang imuhang pagpuyo or ang imuhang kinabuhi kung wala siya. So how to be connected man? How to stay connected with Jesus Christ? Nadara, if you keep my command, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's command and remain in His love. So, wala na tagilisod-lisod digat, kitagaan na taniyag tubag. So, stay connected, okay? I love you.